The Keene Act and You, a public service film on behalf of the House Committee on Un-American Activities. Since the dawn of this great nation, our American way of life has been safeguarded by noble patriots. George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, Richard Nixon. But nearly 40 years ago, a strange new breed of patriot appeared on our streets. Costumed adventurers, men and women who took the law into their own hands. At first, we applauded their actions, but it soon became clear that their masks concealed more than just their identities. Today, they are succeeded by dangerous, violent vigilantes who have appointed themselves judge, jury, and executioner. This is vigilantism in America today. Now you, the public, have spoken. And Senator John Keene, one hero who doesn't need to wear a mask, is listening. Like you, he knows real American heroes are the brave family men risking their lives every day to serve and protect. Men whose livelihoods are threatened and undermined by the costumed menace. Thanks to Senator Keene's emergency legislation, America's masked adventurers are now outlawed. With immediate effect, the following rules are in place for your protection to ensure that you do not become another victim of vigilante crime. No masks, no capes, no gadgets or experimental weapons, no dangerous unlicensed vehicles. If you suspect anyone of being a masked vigilante, under no circumstances should you attempt to confront or apprehend them. Simply remain inside your home. Secure all doors and windows, and notify the police immediately. Remember, being vigilant is not a crime. Being a vigilante is. Together, we can forge a better America.